Today I'm going to go over a couple of questions that we get asked a lot. So here we go. Question number 1. Is windshield repair profitable? Well, here's my take. The national average per windshield repair is $65. Your cost is $1 in supplies, and your time is about 15 minutes or less to do the rock chip. So in my opinion, I believe that windshield repair is very profitable. It has very low overhead and very high returns. So breakdown is the national average being $65 per rock chip, your cost being $1 in supplies. To me, that's good money. Go a step further and look at your investment. You're looking at get started in windshield repair. You're looking at an investment from anywhere from $500 on up. So let's just say you invested the $500, the bare minimum to get started. So $500 and $65 is the national average for a windshield repair. That means after you do your first 7 to 8 repairs, you've made your return on investment. So I would look at it that way. 8 repairs, you got your return on investment. It costs you $1 in supplies, about 15 minutes in time. So to me, very profitable. But again, you have to analyze your situation and figure out where you want to be financially to say if it's profitable for you or not. So again, $65 is the national average per windshield repair. Your cost is $1 in supplies, and it takes about 15 minutes in time to do a repair.